Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram story in the CapCut app, in the Canva app, sorry. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in this menu, in the home menu, and in the bottom bar we find the plus icon. If we tap on this, then we get a list of different kinds of formats and different kinds of things that we can create. But at the top of the list, we find your story here, the third from the list. If we tap on this, then the Canva app is going to load, and in a short time, we will get a canvas that we can edit and create a story for our Instagram or for our other social media accounts. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.